Today we're going to be looking at Math Lesson 2, and in this lesson it's about how I can match two objects that are the same, but we're going to start by doing our count to two chant from yesterday. Remember, let's start with the first part. 1, 2, I count to 2. You say that. Now let's do it with our fingers. 1, 2, I count to 2. Now let's try it with our hands. 1, 2, I clap to 2. Now let's say this last part. 1, 2, me and you. Alright, so we're going to do it again, and this time I'll say it and then you say it after me. 1, 2, I count to 2. 1, 2, I count to 2. 1, 2, I clap to 2. 1, 2, me and you. Look at this screen right here. Find the balls that are exactly the same. Do you remember exactly the same? Pause here and we'll talk about it. Here are two bears. They're the same color, but one is little and one is big. The size of the bears is different, so they are not exactly the same. What can you tell me about these two bear counters? How are they the same? Pause here and we'll talk about it. Are they exactly the same? Pause here and let's talk about it. What can you tell me about these balls? Are they the same? Pause here. Are they exactly the same? Are they the same but? Pause here and tell me about. Okay, so now what I want you to do is try to find two things in your house that are the same, but maybe there's something a little different about them. It doesn't have to be big. It could just be some books or anything that you can find that might be the same, but there might be something different about them. Like maybe you have some cups that are the same, but they're two different colors. See what you can find, and we'll pause here and then we'll share. Okay, let's talk about this. How was matching today different from the matching yesterday? Let's pause here. Can we make two claps and two taps that are the same, but